Hello everyone, Andrew here to talk about my portfolio project for General Assembly. This project was a test of my skills from the first 3 weeks of lectures and projects. Overall, I had a love-hate relationship with this site as this really opened my eyes to the world of software development. There were many panic attacks at the beginning, but quickly became invested the more I programmed the site. My final product is something I really cherish now and hope to update in the future. Alright, now without further ado, my website. The requirements given to me were to make a portfolio website about myself, my own information. I have a total of 5 pages, including the home page. I wanted to create an elegant website, simple design that also characterizes me. The transitions I chose show the flow of my website, smooth and calculated. In the color scheme I chose, I was looking for something to complement a futuristic calming style with different lights and darks of blue, different shades. Everything is built with mobile in mind and scales up to desktop. There are a few things on my page that I am really proud of building. Moving animations on the skills page, the quotes that you see at the top of each one of these different pages, and the projects page. These all required some serious research and fine-tuning. Let's start with the skills page. Transitions you see here are affected by each different scaling of the page. This scales going from mobile to desktop, with more of the information being shown on the desktop version. You'll see here I have a chart done in Canvas.js, a few attributes, especially me driving a Nissan, and a list of skills and my progress level for it on desktop. When you shrink the page down, let's go to tablet, you'll see that just the attributes and skills section show up along with the picture. On mobile, it's just the skills and the picture. Next thing would be the projects page. This page was built drawing in a list of objects parsed and distributed to show a grid-like view. The list of the projects was created in a Google spreadsheet, then parsed using JSON API or application programming interface cells to obtain the information needed. Clicking on each one of these will actually bring you to the project I've finished in CodePen, and that way you can inspect and see it for yourself. And the last thing, which you can see up here in the silver divider, is the quotes. These are a list of quotes that I've started to obtain. I like to show a little bit of inspiration on my page, and I display these randomly whenever you visit the page. So there are about a list of 7 quotes for right now for your viewing pleasure. Overall, I learned a lot from making this project. There were some hard times, but I definitely feel I've grown as a developer and had fun doing so. I really would like to give a special thanks to General Assembly's teachers for being awesome, and the squad of people who worked with me day in and day out to make my website and help me really build this out. I couldn't have done this without the support of so many people, so thank you.